Okay, let's study about the life cycle of the Pogonatum. Pogonatum belongs to the phylum Bryophyta, which is a non-vascular plant. This contain both the gametophyte and the sporophyte, but the gametophyte is the dominant plant in the Pogonatum, which is very large and longer living than the sporophyte. And also this gametophyte is photosynthetic. The stem, leaves and the rhizode are present in the gametophyte. And the gametophyte is dioecious. Dioecious means it contains both the male gametophyte and also the female gametophyte. Male gametophyte will produce antheridia, while the female gametophyte will produce the archegonium. The antheridia will produce several sperms, while the archegonium will produce a single egg. This egg will retain within the archegonium, and it will release a chemical attractant to attract the sperms towards itself. These sperms are flagellated and motile. They will swim through the external water towards the egg and it will enter the archegonium. Then what happens? This egg and the sperm will fuse together, and that means the fertilization process occurs and it produces zygote. This zygote will develops into embryo, while the embryo will develops into the diploid sporophyte. This sporophyte will obtain the nutrients from the gametophyte. We can say that this sporophyte is independent. Okay, the sporophyte contain the foot, seta and the capsule, and this foot will absorb nutrients and the water from the gametophyte. Okay, and also this capsule will produce spores. These spores are one type, that means homosporous. If the spores will disperse into a favorable habitat means like tree bark, and also if not moist soil, they will germinate into protonema. Protonema is a green branch filament. Okay, this protonema will produce buds which grow into gametophyte. That's all about the life cycle of the Pogonatum.